the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa, and welcome to another episode of Flip Through Friday. This one are pages that I did earlier this year for my youngest daughter. What we're starting out with is some ice cream pages. She loves ice cream just like her grandfather. And so we every time we ever go to grandma and grandpa's or anywhere, she's got to get some ice cream. So I am using this is the ice cream collection that was part of a free gift this last summer. And so I used that and then I just used the Collegiate sticker letters for those and some foam squares to pop up some of the embellishments, give them a little more dimension. I loved how these turned out. Here is another where it's just her different expressions and faces of her eating ice cream with her friends and her brother. And these are just cut out with our circle punch and then just put these are the stickers were kind of like you build your own ice cream cone. And so you could have different types. You could have it in like a cone, a dish, a sundae dish, that kind of stuff. A cake cone versus just a regular cone or a waffle cone. So this one turned out really cute as well. I'm trying to think of where I got the ideas from. They would have come from, I love to look at the virtual crop pages layouts and I just adapt those from there. This one is an Alaska trip she took from 2013. This is just a small amount of pictures that were taken. This is on the beginning of the trip. So she was 13 years old, I think, 12, 13, when she went on this trip. I have a lot more pages, but I need to get them on pages because there are a lot of peekaboo pockets. These are pages that didn't require peekaboo pockets. This is where she went paddle boarding and fell in, I do believe, is for that. So I just used these were just old sticker letters that I have, the sans, I think they're like the sans serif. I did run out of the D's, so I had to use a P upside down. So sometimes you got to get creative, and most people will never know on that one. Next ones are some Halloween pictures from the Booyah collection, and these would have been I'm trying to decide. I think this is just something that I came up with based on the fact that I had a bunch of hodgepodge pieces left of it was, yeah, because I had some left of the Booyah collection, and some of these stickers came from the Simple Life kit, the Halloween one, but the paper itself is Booyah. Now, the spider webs are the spider web border, this punch that I punched one side, cut it at like 2 1/4, punched the other side, and then punched them apart. So you have these individual spider webs, and I think that turned out super cute. These are just Halloween over the years, and our pumpkin family pumpkin carving. There's some more. This collection is Toil and Trouble, and this is like bits and pieces that I had left that I just kind of uh, tried to use up. I don't know. Yeah. See, I welded some of them together. That one I didn't, but just trying to use up what I have is one of my goals of 2025. And I found this like in a bag. I was cleaning and I found this, and I love the Booyah collection, and it turned out super cute. This was just using what I had and making it work. Thanks for joining me today for another episode of Flip It Through Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go backwards. And if you are interested in joining a group of women who love to scrapbook here in the Des Moines metro area, I do get a lot of people from out of state as well. I will put all that information below. This is C's Please. I forgot to mention that this is from the C's Please collection, and the layout comes from a consultant puts out some layout ideas, Debbie Martin, and I sometimes will use those and pre-make some pages just so I have them ready to go. And I just made my pictures fit the pre-made pages. Once again, this is the ice cream collection that was something you could get free with purchase at last summer. And there you go. Thanks again for joining me, and have a great day.